Hey everybody, welcome to the Broken Ogre Farm channel. So I'm out here today, down by the pond. I've got a couple of things to do. I've got some fish food I'm gonna throw in for some fish. I know we got some minnows and stuff in there. Hopefully they'll keep going. I've got a little bit of grass seed left over in the white bag. I'm just gonna throw it along the dam, help stabilize that some more hopefully. I have got some wild rice seed. This gets planted in the winter. Well, you just cast it into the water and it'll sink down, and then should pop up in the spring. So I wanted to put some wild rice in there, get that growing good. I also have the North American ground nut. Has some name on it. Anyway, this produces a little tuber, as well as like a kind of a pea-like thing. Anyway, saw it on another YouTube channel. They just happened to point it out. But anyway, it's a native North American plant. So is the rice. It's a native variety. So I'm going to go plant them down by the pond. And then just for giggles, I have some sugar cane, which will probably never grow because it gets too cold here. I'm going to plant a few stalks of this down under the ground, down by the water as well, just to see what happens. So I'm going to put you out so you can kind of watch me wandering around. I'll back in a little bit. So I'm gonna go throw the food out. Allow that. Take the rice out. It's just a pelletized fish food, and at least with the rice, all I have to do is cast it out. So with the rice, right where the dam goes over to the sluiceway over there, I'm gonna plant it there. I'm just gonna cast it into the shallower part of the water. The sugar cane is gonna go right there at the sluiceway. See, I don't know if you guys can see the flag. There's a flag way over there to the right, and there's one over there. I'll probably bury them in there. And then the ground nuts, I'll probably do right down through here. They all have to be buried in a little bit, so we'll go see how that does. I don't know if you heard any of that, but the ground nuts will go right up here, and then everything else will go on the other side. But you'll see me. I'm gonna go cast out this fish food. I put the rice out on my way back. The good news is most of the rice sank, which means it's good seed. It should sink, and since the water's cold, it should stay dormant until the spring. And that time it'll germinate. It'll pop up. It'll actually float a little bit, and then it'll go to where it can seed. I cast it out in about 12 to 18 inches of water. I really don't have ducks here at this point in time, so hopefully nothing eats the rice. It is very visible. So I'm gonna go plant some of this sugar cane and ground nuts real quick. Instead of just planting it all in one big group, I'm going to spread a little bit on this side and a little bit on that side. Never know, might grow one side better than the other. This side's mostly clay. It's probably not as well on this side. That side's more original earth. So we'll see what happens. Either way, it's all just an experiment. Alright, I got the sugar cane planted. I'll go find me some skeletons, kill them, take them to the craft table, make some bone dust or whatever it is, plant it, sugar cane no time. So, I'm not sure why I have skeletons around here though. I don't know if I need a permit for that. Is that part of my hunting license? Anyway, I'm gonna throw this last bit of annual ryegrass out, and then we'll be done. So I planted 5 sugar cane over here, 7 ground nuts, 8 or 10 ground nuts over there, 10 pieces of sugar cane over there, and like I said, there were 5,000 rice seeds that I spread out. Anyway, hopefully, well, it's in layers, so rice in the water, sugar cane next to the water, ground nuts up away from the water a little bit. But they're all kind of water-liking plants. So we'll see how that goes. All right, there you go. Quick bit of that. I need to really get some more. I need like 2 bags. Get the spreader out. Get the drag out. Do all that. Probably need to get the scraper out and fix some of these little rivulets that are cut into the hillside. But you know, a little at a time. It'll get there. So again, rice all around the edge. In the water, so we have it layered, rice in the water, sugar cane. Not really holding out hope, but it was like 20 bucks, so I'll take a shot at it. And then the ground nuts, which like I said are again native to North America. They should produce. Apparently they're pretty hardy. They spread well. They have both edible seeds and tubers. The tubers aren't very big, but you know, it's a good thing to have around. Kind of like sun chokes or Jerusalem chokes, whatever you want to call them. You know, just another potential food source out here. Never a bad thing. So, and then just some ryegrass for erosion protection. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Baby,